So again, problem 2, still this is about basic integration. So our problem 2 is integral of x raised to 3 over 4 plus x raised to 1 half raised to 2 dx. So first, ang solution natin is itong expression na to is i-expand natin siya. So, di ba kapag in-expand natin siya, since naka-raise to 2, therefore there are two terms sa x raised to 3 over 4 plus x raised to 1 half, right? Na naka-multiplied. So, ang gagawin natin is, we'll just, tawag nito, using the fold method. So, first is x raised to 3 over 4 times x raised to 3 over 4. So, that will become like this. Okay? Ay, joke. Let's insert pala equation first. So, that will become, and then, times, like that, okay? Plus x raised to 3 over 4 times this one. Ay, joke. Plus, still this one, x raised to 1 half, and then times x raised to 3 over 4, and lastly, x raised to 1 half, ay, joke, x raised to 1 half times x raised to 1 half, okay? And we'll just simplify that by, if we have the same basis, diba, i-add lang natin yung exponents. So 3 over 4 times 3 over 4, that will become 3 halves, right? So it will become 3, okay? Make that. And plus, dito sa second term, diba the same to? But, ang gagawin natin is add natin yung 3 over 4 times 1 half, which is equals to 5 over 4. And since meron siyang dalawang terms, ito, tsaka ito, therefore there will be, that will become 2, and then x raised to 5/4 or 5 over 4. Okay? 5 and 4. Yun. And for the last one, for the last term, ito, x raised to 1 half times x raised to 1 half. So 1 half plus 1 half is equals to 1, or therefore, x na lang. Okay? X. So therefore, our integral will become this integral of what happened? Anyway, copy natin. Yun. Okay? So, that will become x raised to 3 over 2 plus 2x raised to 5 over 4 plus x. And don't forget, there's still the x, okay? And let's change that into this one. After is the same kanina. Isa-separate natin or distribute natin integral along with the x, okay? So, this will become integral of first term, this is x raised to 3 over 2 dx, okay? Put space. And then second is integral of itong 2, tabas ko na lang si 2, okay? And then integral of then 2 pala. This one, x raised to 4. And then lastly, integral of x. I forgot the dx pala. And here is x. Okay? And then apply natin yung power of integration, the same sa kanina. So, mag-a-add tayo ng 1 sa power. So, this will become, for the first, this will become x raised to 3 over 2 plus 1, 3 over 2 plus 1 over 3 over 2, oops, 3 over 2 plus 1. Next is 2 times fraction, so magiging x raised to fifth fourth, so 5 over 4 plus 1 over 5 over 4 plus 1. Okay? And lastly is, magiging ano lang yan, x raised to 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1. And since tapos na mag-integrate, add natin si c. Okay? So, change ko lang ito yung line. Ganyan. And then next, simplify lang natin. So, 3 halves plus 1 is equals to 5 over 2, right? So, magiging ganito siya. X raised to 5 over 2 over 5 over 2 plus 2 and then times x raised to 5 over 4 plus 1, that is equals to 9 over 4. Okay? Hala. Four. Ayan. Then 9 over 4. And for the last term, this just equals to x raised to 2 over 2. Okay? And don't forget the plus c. And simplify lang natin itong complex fraction. So this will become, so 5 over 2, get the reciprocal of that, that is 2 fifths, or along with this x raised to 5 over 2, and then over 5 plus 2 times 4, that will become 8. Okay? Kasi kapag binaliktad natin yung 9/4, that is 4 over 9. So this will become 8, and then this one here over 9. Okay? And plus simply this one together with plus c. Okay? And since there's no there's no simplification further, so therefore this is now our final answer. Okay? Ayun. So again, review natin na yung steps. First is expand the expression, and then apply the FOIL method, and then apply also the loss of exponents. If you have the same basis, you will just add yung exponent, okay? Which is masisimplify siya into x raised to 3 over 2 plus 2x raised to 5 over 4 plus x. Next thing to do, magiging ito na yung expression sa integral, and then distribute it, integrate it one by one, and apply the power rule of integration. So this will become like this, and add, simplify, and this is now our final answer. Subscribe for your next problem, and that's all. Thank you.